The Great Flood of 1 million years that gave rise to the dinosaurs, known as the Carnian Pluvial event (CPE), occurred approximately 230 million years ago. During this period, endless acid rain fell non-stop across the planet for over 1 million years, drastically altering the Earth's surface. Many species adapted to dry and arid climates became extinct, but in their place, new species emerged, including dinosaurs. This event was triggered by a series of massive volcanic eruptions in the Rangelia region, located in present-day northeastern North America. These eruptions were caused by the subduction process of the Pacific tectonic plate beneath the North American plate, which released vast amounts of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, CO, methane, CH, and water vapor, dramatically altering the Earth's atmospheric composition. The eruptions were so significant that they caused a sharp increase in global temperatures, rising by 4 to 8 degrees Celsius. This led to more pronounced climate change than what we currently experience due to global warming, altering weather patterns, increasing temperatures, modifying seasons and ocean currents, and intensifying natural phenomena such as hurricanes and tornadoes. At the time, Earth was nearing the final phase of the formation of Pangaea, the supercontinent that connected nearly all the planet's landmasses. The dominant fauna consisted primarily of reptiles, amphibians, and other primitive animals. Dinosaurs were still relatively scarce, confined mostly to coastal areas, as the central regions of Pangaea were arid and desert-like. These regions received little to no rainfall, making them inhospitable for most forms of life. However, this began to change drastically as the volcanic eruptions intensified. The resulting global warming, caused by the increase in CO and other greenhouse gases, altered global temperature patterns, causing cold regions to experience warmer weather and hot regions to become even more extreme. This extreme climate change devastated many species, resulting in mass extinctions, but it also allowed new species to adapt rapidly to the changing environment. The increased rainfall, combined with global temperature rise, drastically changed the Earth's water cycles, including the availability of freshwater resources. This triggered a massive global flood, which lasted for about 1 million years, altering ecosystems and biodiversity significantly. Marine ecosystems were hit hard, with ocean acidification and rising temperatures leading to the extinction of 50% to 70% of marine species. The CO released by the volcanic eruptions dissolved in the oceans, causing acidification that affected organisms relying on calcium carbonates, such as corals, mollusks, and crustaceans. The Carnian Pluvial event not only triggered the extinction of marine species but also disrupted vital natural cycles, such as the carbon, water, and geological cycles. The volcanic eruptions contributed to an imbalance in the carbon cycle, leading to increased CO in the atmosphere. This, in turn, fueled the water cycle by increasing water vapor in the atmosphere, which led to intense cloud formation and prolonged rainfall, giving rise to the Great Flood. The interaction between the geological, carbon, and water cycles created a series of events that transformed the Earth. The rain was not just ordinary rainfall, but acid rain, which was slightly corrosive and eroded rocks and mountains over thousands of years, creating new habitats like cave and cavern systems. These new environments provided fertile ground for new species to emerge. Research in the 1980s, particularly by paleontologist Dr. Stephen G. Lucas, revealed traces of this abrupt and prolonged climate change. His studies of fossils and sedimentary layers showed that this event led to a massive extinction, wiping out a significant portion of Pangaea's flora and fauna. However, the surviving species adapted to the new humid, fluctuating climate, and this shift led to a proliferation of biodiversity, particularly in dinosaurs. The Carnian rainfall event created fertile conditions for vegetation to thrive, providing ample food for herbivorous dinosaurs and allowing them to expand into different ecosystems. Prior to this event, dinosaurs were rare, but the climate change allowed them to adapt and occupy a wide range of habitats. Among the first dinosaurs to emerge was the Herosaurus, a small but agile theropod that became a common ancestor for many later dinosaur species. The Herosaurus thrived in this new, abundant environment, giving rise to a new era dominated by dinosaurs. This event marked the beginning of the Age of Dinosaurs, which would last for over 180 million years. While the dinosaurs' reign ended with a mass extinction caused by a meteorite impact at the end of the Cretaceous period, Their dominance laid the groundwork for a new era in which mammals eventually rose to prominence. This shift in dominance from dinosaurs to mammals eventually led to the emergence of humans, who would later begin a new chapter in the Earth's history. Thus, the uncontrolled volcanic eruptions that disrupted the carbon and water cycles caused the million-year flood, transforming ecosystems, leading to the extinction of many species, and preparing the Earth for the rise of dinosaurs. These events forever altered life on the planet and set the stage for the evolutionary developments that followed.